Hello guys, welcome to our new video in which we will discuss about email marketing and its best platforms in USA. Email showcasing has arisen as an amazing asset in the realm of computerized prompting, permitting organizations to associate with their crowd and drive commitments straightforwardly. In this video, we will dive into the advantages of email showcasing and investigate probably be the best email promoting stages in the USA that can assist organizations with building its true capacity. In this video, we will discuss about following topics in which we will introduce you with email marketing, why email marketing is matters, advertising of email promotion, immediate and customized communication, exceptionally designed campaigns, savvy and high ROI, simple to track and analyze, sports clients commitment and loyalty, top email promoting stages or platforms in USA, MailChimp, StateContact, HubSpot, email marketing, Sendinblue, GetResponse. Contrasting the stages, highlights and customization, easy to understand interface, robotization capabilities, reconciliations options, evaluating plans, picking the right stage for your business. Tips for successful email promoting efforts: constructing a great email list, creating convincing and pertinent content, advance of versatile advices, division and personalizations. In introduction, despite of dominant social media and search engines in the digital space, email marketing is still a tried and true method for business looking for meaningful connections and with their target audience. By conveying fitted substances straightforwardly to the beneficiaries' inbox, emails promoting gives a novel chance to brands to draw in, illuminate and convert their supporters. Why email marketing is so important despite the rise of the other marketing channels, consumers and business alike still prefer to communicate via email. It is difficult to duplicate the reach and level of engagement provided by email, which has billions of active users worldwide. Benefits of email marketing: direct and personalized communication in contrast to display ads and social media. Email lets business interact directly with their target audience. Customized titles and constant suggestions cause the beneficiary to feel esteemed, improving the probability of cooperations. Campaigns with a strong focus: the most recent email marketing platforms provide sophisticated segmentation tools. This implies organizations can tailor their messages in view of elements like socioeconomics, by history, and commitment levels, bringing about additional pertinent missions. Practical and high return for capital invested. Email advertising flaunts are great profits from speculations, return on initial capital investment. It's a cost-effective option for business of all sizes due to the potential for significant revenue generation and the low production costs. It is simple to track to investigate. Point-to-point investigation assists advertisers with grasping the exhibition of their mission. Open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates are examples of metrics that can be used to make improvement in the future. Sports clients and commitment and faithfulness. Customer correspondence through significant substance keeps your image more important than anything else to clients. This spotted commitment cultivates devotion and energizes rehashes business. The most popular email marketing platforms in the United States are MailChimp and ConstantContact. MailChimp is well known for its user-friendly interface and adaptability. It offers adjustable layouts, A/B testing, and vigorous investigation. I hope you have enjoyed our videos. Kindly like, share and subscribe our videos. Thank you.